How would you like to put $1 in your business and get $2 out, or 5, or even 10? Well, if you have a simple website, that's not gonna happen. But if you have a sales funnel, that's an entirely different story. Hey, my name is Mario and I want to welcome you on my YouTube channel. Hit that subscribe button if you want to learn how to grow your business using sales funnels so you can get more customers and so together we can take your business to the moon. And now I'd love to share with you my story because when I started my first business, I was using just a simple website, and that was really frustrating because my visitors were not converting and they were having a bad experience. But then I discovered a company called ClickFunnels, and I transitioned from a simple website to funnels, and that literally 10x'd my business. And with ClickFunnels is really simple, anyone can do it. And most successful companies are already using some type of sales funnels like Amazon or McDonald's. Most people don't know, but McDonald's is actually losing money on their front-end offer, which is the cheap burger, right? They are losing money on advertising, but when they get people in the door and sell them their cheap burger, people often take fries and a Coke with the burger, and that's when McDonald's starts making money. And most businesses fail because they don't have this process, this sales funnel in the place. And with ClickFunnels, anyone can do it, and for any business, right? So let's say that you are a consultant, coach, or an author, for example, and you want to sell an ebook, right? You sell a cheap ebook for $10, and you may be breaking even or even losing money on that offer. But when people get ebook, you can upsell them to get your membership area, your online course for $97, right? And some people, when people say yes to first offer, they are more likely to say yes to the second. And then another step can be one-on-one coaching, right? So you give even more value to your customers, right? And the second or third step can be the point where you start making money. And with ClickFunnels it's really simple. Like 10 years ago, you would have to hire a whole team to help you with this. But today you can do it yourself, and it's just drag and drop software, right? And so if you have what is like the number one question that you would like to learn about funnels, leave that below, and I will get back to you. And also hit that like button, because that will help me reach more people, and also subscribe so you don't miss out on upcoming videos how to grow your business using funnels and other tricks that I have that I will prepare for you. And now you can watch this next video that I have for you, and so just click that and I will see you there.